Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy Uniswap from your Coinbase wallet. So the simplest and direct procedure to do this is to click on this last option over here. So once you click on the last option, click on buy. So as you tap on buy, tap on this network over here. So what you're going to do is simple. If you search from here, Uniswap, you won't see Uniswap from there. So you'll have to first select all networks. And how do you select all networks? So to select all networks, click on this network over here. And then over here, select on all networks. Okay. As you can see here, we have a few networks over here. But what you'll do is quite simple. You can either choose Ethereum or you can choose on all networks. So I'll leave it here in all networks. Then come and search over here. You search for Uniswap. So you search for Uniswap from the tokens list. So from here, just click on this. What are you going to buy? Click on that. Now, what you're going to buy over here, click on this drop down arrow. Then click on all networks. So once you tap on all networks, tap on the search bar. Then type in Uniswap. You can even type in Uni only. Once you type in Uni over here, you see Uniswap. So you tap on Uniswap. And now you're going to be buying Uniswap. And you'll be buying it from the Ethereum network. So input the amount of money you want to buy, or you want to use to buy. For this case, I use $256 to buy Uniswap. And for that case, I'll get 40 Uniswap tokens. So over here, click on this and then select your payment method, debit card. You can use the bank, you can use the Fate balance, and then go ahead and then buy. And that's how simple it is, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.